Pao Chicken. Prepare ingredients: chicken breast, carrots, cucumbers, peanuts, onions, ginger, and garlic. Step 1. Cut the chicken breast into cubes and put them in a bowl for later use. Step 2. Add appropriate amount of salt, pepper, soy sauce, cooking wine, starch. Then stir evenly by hand and set aside. Step 3. Cut the carrots and cucumbers into cubes and place them on a plate for later use. Step 4. Chop the onion, ginger, and garlic and put them in a bowl for later use. Step 5. Mix the sauce. Put salt, chicken essence, sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, starch, and half a bowl of water in a bowl. Stir well and set aside. Everything is ready. You can start cooking. After the pan is heated, pour in some cooking oil. Add the prepared diced chicken. Stir fry until cooked and set aside. After the chicken is served for cooking, boil into the pot again. Then pour the chopped onion, ginger, and garlic into the pot and add a spoonful of bean paste for stir frying. After the aroma comes out, pour the prepared carrots and cucumbers into the pot and stir fry together. Pour the fried chicken back into the pan and stir fry with the vegetables. Stir well and pour in the prepared sauce and continue to stir fry. Pour in the prepared peanuts. When the soup in the pot is tightened, you can serve it. Now this delicious Kung Pao chicken is ready.
Nice.